Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete your Apple ID. So at first just go to your browser to delete your Apple ID and search for privacy.apple.com. Now here you can see continue or use a different Apple ID. You can use a different Apple ID. I'm just going to choose it. Now here just give your Apple ID. Now give the password of your Apple ID. After giving your password, there will be a verification code sent to your phone number. You need to just give the verification code here. After giving your verification code, just scroll here and click on request to delete your account. Again scroll from here and click on please select a reason. Just select a reason that why you want to delete your Apple account and click on continue. Now just again scroll here and click on continue. Now click on I have read and agreed to these terms and conditions and continue. Now you can select your Gmail account or your phone number to delete your account, and after selecting one just click on continue. Now here you can see the access code. You need to just keep this access code and it will be the only way to verify your identity with Apple support. Now here you can see continue, click on it. Now here just give the access code and click on continue. Now here you can see the red delete account, just click on it. Now Apple will verify all requests before deleting your account, and this process may take up to 7 days. Your account will remain active while verification is in progress. So guys, that's how you can delete Apple account on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and stay with us by subscribing Tech Team. Thank you very much for watching the video.